time I'm coming, we fall, rock bottom, been the same. Not enough poured up, move to the side.
So I just got a new pair of shoes, pair of running shoes, Brooks Ghost 15. They're gonna replace my Hoka's, my Hoka Bondi 7s. These. Those are the shoes I took to Guatemala on our hike. They're super dirty. I've had them for like 2 or 3 years. So I decided to get a new pair of running shoes. So I'm gonna go on a run real quick. We'll see how it goes, how I feel. But my initial impression, I like the shoes. I like the way they feel. I like the cushion. I also haven't done much in like the past month in regards to like running and stuff. So it'll be nice to get back on track with that. So I'm gonna go run real quick.
Run around, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Run around, fuck around, never let me by.
So I just did a 30-minute run. It was in hopes to get back into the groove of things. I think that's the longest run I've done, so it probably wasn't a smart idea that I did it for the first time after not doing anything for a while, but it's alright. My knee hurts, but I think that's from the hike, so I think I just need to get moving it and it'll be fine. As for the shoes feel great. No shin splints this go around, which is huge, and this was like my longest run that I've done. But one thing is, I need to drink water during the day. I've been saying that for years, and nothing changes. And now I'm really thirsty, but I need to be better at drinking water throughout the day. But yeah, that was it for today. Just really wanted to do an impromptu vlog about my running shoes and how they feel. I don't know, they're pretty cool, I think. But yeah, now I'm gonna finish up work and then hopefully upload yesterday's vlog and then edit today's vlog so I can upload tomorrow. But so we'll see. But yeah, that was my recap on the Brooks Ghost 15s, so you should definitely check them out. Peace.
In the house for a very long time, never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online, no end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't